Problem 2. Two boxes contain respectively 4 white and 2 black, and 1 white and 3 black balls. One ball is transferred. Read the problem carefully, okay?
Okay, sir.
One ball is transferred from the first box into the second. And then one ball is drawn. And then one ball is drawn from the latter. It turns out to be black. What is the probability? That the ball transferred was white. Okay, what is the probability that the ball transferred was white? You read the question? Read the question. Now, if you see the problem, I've drawn the figure. Okay, the number of balls I have written. Now, what happens? One ball is transferred from the first box. So you know that you're transferring the ball from box 1 to box 2.
Box 2.
Okay, one ball you're transferring. You don't know which ball, but you're transferring one ball. And then you are picking out a ball from here. Okay. And it is
Yes, sir.
said that this ball turns out to be black.
Black.
The first question is, what is the given event here? You want to frame your events? Now see, if you read the question, tell me which one is the given event here.
Sir, the given event is the ball is black.
Black, exactly. So let us formulate the following events. Let us form the following events. First, given event A, we shall write that the ball drawn from box 2 is black. Ball drawn from box 2 is black. This is the given event. Okay. Now you tell me what are the events that I will form, other events.
So the other event
E1.
that one ball is drawn from box 1 to box 2. Transferred.
Okay, fine. One ball is transferred, but there are two kinds of balls, no? White and black. Which ball am I transferring?
Yes, sir.
Which ball am I transferring? Let's see, there are two balls, white and black. So I'm transferring
Yes,
one
sir.
ball. right? So which ball am I
Yes.
transferring? White ball or black ball?
So that is so white.
Hmm?
So white.
Why
White.
white? Why white? It can be black also. That is why you frame the first event as white ball drawn. Since you don't know which ball you are transferring, you will say white ball transferred from box 1 to box 2, right?
Yes, sir.
White ball transferred from box 1 to
Box one
box
to
2.
box two.
What is the next possibility? E2, that black ball is transferred, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will call it E2. Black ball transferred from box 1 to box 2, right? Fine. So now we shall see the question, what the question is.
Yes, sir.
Question is, what is the probability the ball transferred was white? That means ball transferred was white. Which is the event that the ball transferred was white? E1, right?
So even
E1 is the event that the ball transferred was white,
white.
right? And what is the given event here? A, right? So what is this event?
Yes,
E1 slash A. White ball transferred
from
from box 1 to box 2.
box two.
Given that, what is the given event?
So ball drawn from
Black
box two
ball
is
is
black.
drawn. Black ball, yes.
Yes.
Black ball drawn from, black ball is drawn
From box two.
from box 2. That means this is the probability that we need to find.
Yes, sir.
We need to find probability that white ball is transferred given that black ball is drawn, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we shall apply Bayes theorem. From Bayes theorem, P E1 slash A is equal to, tell me the how to write the Bayes theorem. Tell me, Amir.
Yes, sir. So even slash A. So it will be
First we write E1, right? So
E1.
we
Yes,
write
sir.
P E1 and then multiply it by PA slash E1, right? E1 become the denominator
Yes, sir.
and then divided by summation. How many boxes are there? How many E1? E1, E2, how many? Only two. There's only one.
The two.
There are yes, only E1 and E2, two events, right? So summation will run from what? How,
Yes,
I will run from what? I is equal to 1 to 2, right?
yes, sir.
PEI
Yes, sir.
into PA slash EI, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you expand this, what will you get? PE1 into PA slash E1 divided by PE1 PA slash E1. Put I is equal to 1 first. Plus PE2 PA slash E2, right? No questions here.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now we shall find the respective probabilities. So what is PE1 here? PE1. Look at the event here. What is the event E1? Event E1 is white ball transferred from box 1 to box 2. What is the probability that white ball is transferred from this to this? How many white balls? 4.
Yes,
How
sir.
many total number of balls? 6 balls, right?
The total 6 balls.
So what is the probability that white ball is transferred?
The probability is The 6. Total number of white ball is 4 and 1, 5. So 5 by
Why 5?
6.
There
So
are 4
5
white
by
balls.
white ball.
Huh?
Oh, yes, sir. 4 by
4 by 6.
4 by 6.
So this is 4 by 6. Right? Next we shall find
Yes, sir.
PE2. What is PE2? What is E2? E2 is the event that black ball is transferred from box 1 to box 2. So what is the probability? If black ball is being transferred from here to here, what is the probability?
The black ball. The 2 black ball is there. 2 by. So from box 1 it will transfer, no?
Yes,
2
box
by
1.
6.
Look at the event. No, look at the event E2. What is the event E2?
Black ball. Yes, sir. 2 by 6.
Black ball. Yes, 2 by 6. Fine. Okay, so the 2 we have got, 2 probabilities. So PE1 we have got, PE1 we have got, PE1, PE2 we have got, right? Now let us find out PA slash E1. PA slash E1. Now what is the event A slash E1? Look at the events. A slash E1 is the event that ball drawn from box 2 is black. Given that white ball is transferred from box 1 to box 2. If I am transferring a white ball from here, right, the number of white ball increases by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Look at this, A slash E1. What does A slash E1 mean? We are finding PA slash E1. What does A slash E1 mean? Look at the definition. A is what? Ball drawn from the box 2 is black. So I'm
Ball
drawing
drawn
a
from. Yes, sir.
black ball. And what is E1? Given that white ball is transferred. That is, if you are transferring a white ball from box 1 to box 2, and then you are picking up a black ball. So what should be the probability? If you're transferring a white ball, then the number of white ball increases from 1 to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the total number of balls here? 5, right? And now you are picking up a black ball. So what is the probability?
Sir, probability.
You try to understand,
Sir,
Amit.
it will be.
A slash E1. If I am transferring
sir.
what is A? That the black ball is drawn from here. Fine. I'm drawing a black ball, no
Yes,
problem.
sir.
But at the same time, it is said that after transferring a white ball, because E1 is the event, see E1? E1 is the event that
Yes,
I
sir.
am transferring a white ball. But after transferring a white ball, I am drawing a black ball, which means I'm increasing the number
Yes.
of white balls by 1.
Yes, sir.
And then if I am picking a black ball, then what is the probability of getting a black ball? Tell me.
The probability of getting a black ball will be
How many black balls here? 3.
3. So 3 by 5.
Yes, that is how you have to understand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So PA slash E1 is 3 by 5.
5.
Next, we have found this. Now we have to find this. So PA slash E2. Now look at this event. What is A slash E2? We are finding now, this is gone. Now we are finding PA slash E2. Look at the events. A is black ball drawn, right? A is
Yes, sir.
black ball drawn. Given that, what is E2? Given that black ball is transferred. So this time I'm picking up a black ball, but I'm transferring which ball first? Which ball I'm transferring first?
Sir, white.
White. E2. What is E2 here?
Sir, 2. Sir, black ball.
Black ball. So first I'm transferring a black ball. Then I'm picking up a
Yes,
black
sir.
ball. So if I'm transferring a black ball, then the initial number of balls was 1 white and
1 white.
three black balls. If I'm transferring a black ball first, then number of black balls increases by 1.
4. Yes, sir.
So again we are getting how many balls? 5 balls.
5 balls.
Now I'm picking up a black ball. So now what is the probability? Tell me.
So now the probability will become so 1,
How many black balls? Look at how many black balls.
3, 4 by 5.
4 by 5. Understood? That is what you have to be careful of. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
4 by 5. Now we just put the values here. So therefore, hence PE1/A is equal to PE1, put 4 by 6, PA/E1, which is 3 by 5, divided by
Yes, sir.
4 by 6 into 3 by 5 plus PE2 is 2 by 6 into PA/E2 is 4 by 5. Okay. So now you simplify this,
Yes, sir.
you will get your answer, and your answer should be 3 by 5. Is this absolutely clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just write one more problem, and this is a little on the tough side. Okay. So I'm moving one step by step. Problem 1 was a very standard problem from Bayes theorem, which I showed you yesterday. Problem 2 was a little one step higher. Problem 3 is another step higher. But all problem will follow the same pattern. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
look at this question. From an urn containing 5 white and 5 black balls, five balls are transferred at random. See, in this problem, 5 balls are being transferred. Understood?
Yes, sir.
5 balls are transferred at random. At random means any 5 into an
Yes,
empty
sir.
second urn. Into an empty. This time the second urn is empty. Okay. Into an
Yes,
empty
sir.
second urn, from which one ball is drawn. Now from the second urn, one ball is being drawn.
Gone.
From which one ball
It's gone.
is drawn. And it is found to be white. It is found to be white.
So the given is
Yes.
it is white. The ball.
Yes. Given event. Yes, exactly.
So
This is
here
the
the
given event.
given. Yes,
Given
sir.
event is this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question is,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the probability what is the probability that all balls transferred from the first urn are white? From the first urn are white. Okay.
Okay.
Now look at this, read this question a little carefully. Okay. And let us try to draw first. So you have two urns.
Okay.
Let us say this is urn 1 and this is urn 2. What is being done is, first of all, this urn 1 contains 5 white and 5 black balls. Okay. What is being done is, and this urn is empty, it does not have anything. So I am transferring 5 balls at random. Okay, 5 balls. Any 5 balls I am transferring. right? And then
Yes, sir.
I'm picking out, I'm drawing one ball from here. And what is that ball? That ball is being found to be white. Okay, one white ball I'm picking from the second urn. Clear with the problem?
Yes, sir.
Now we shall define the events. Let us define the following events. As you said, the first event A is the given event. What is the given event here?
Sir, that it is white.
Yes, that
It is white.
ball drawn from
Ball
urn
drawn
2
is
is
white.
white. Ball drawn from urn 2. From
white.
urn 2 is white. This is the given event. Okay. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
shall form the events E1, E2, and so on. Let's see how many events we can form. First, E1. What is the next? If I'm transferring 5 balls from this to this, what are the possibilities? Which ball am I drawing? What kind of balls can be these
Sir.
5 balls? Tell me. Or
Sir,
will all
white and
these
black.
be white? Or will all these be black? Or some will be white, some will be black. What?
Sir, some will be black, some will be white, some will be black also.
So then what are those possibilities? What are the possibilities that you can think of? Tell me.
Sir, 3 white, 2 blacks.
Okay. What
3
else?
white, 2 blacks.
Why not all white? All white balls?
Yes, sir.
Transferred from urn 1 to urn 2?
Yes, sir.
Urn 1 to urn 2. This is one possibility. What is the next
Yes, sir.
possibility? Or let's say all 5 balls.
All-
All five balls transferred from urn 1 to urn 2 are white. What is the next possibility?
Yes, sir.
4
Sir,
white balls,
all 4 white balls, 1 black.
1 black ball. Exactly. 4 white balls and 1 black ball transferred.
Sir, 1 white, 4 black also.
Yes, we'll come to that.
1 white.
We'll come to that.
Okay.
Urn 1 to urn 2. And what is the next possibility? E3? 3 white balls and 2
2
black
black.
balls.
Yes, sir.
Transferred from urn 1 to urn 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
What is the next possibility? Tell me.
Sir, next.
Next possibility. First, all 5 ball transferred white. Next, 4 white, 1 black.
Yes, sir.
3 white, 2 black.
Yes, sir.
Next, this should be 2 white
Sir,
and 3 black.
3 black. Yes, sir.
Right? What is the next possibility? Tell me next possibility.
Sir, 4 black, 1 white.
Yes, 1 white and 4 black. 1 white ball and 4 black balls transferred from urn 1 to urn 2.
Yes, sir.
What is the next possibility?
So next.
All 5 are black?
Yes, sir. All 5 cannot be black, so
Why?
because one is that. Sir, because one from unto that ball is on is white, one is white.
So
So how can we?
but you can transfer.
Only,
But you can, because you are closing your eyes and transferring the balls. You can transfer all 5. What is wrong with it?
but if sir all
Then-
5 will be black, how
if
the
all
white ball
5
will be drawn?
then if you are drawing, the probability will be 0. You understood?
Okay, sir.
But you are closing your eye, then transferring the balls, right?
Okay.
That means you can transfer all 5 black balls. And if you're drawing, if you are trying to draw a white ball, then the probability of that will be 0. You cannot draw. You
Okay,
understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
So all 5 balls drawn, all 5 balls transferred from urn 1 to all 5 black balls all 5 black balls transferred from urn 1 to urn 2. From urn 1 to urn 2. Now look at the question,
Yes.
what we need to find. The question here is, what is the probability that all balls transferred from the first urn are white? So which is the event here? All balls are transferred from the first urn are white. See this one. E1 is the event, right? All 5 balls transferred are white, right?
Yes, sir.
And which is the given event? That
The
ball
given
drawn
is that
from urn 2
ball
is white.
drawn by
That means
white.
that means E1 slash A, right? So what is E1 slash A?
Yes, sir.
E1 slash A is the event that all 5 white balls transferred
Yes, sir.
given that, what is the event A? Look at the event A, given event, that ball drawn from urn 2 is white, right? Given that
Yes, sir.
ball drawn from urn 2 is white, right? That means now what happens? We have to find,
Yes.
we have to find what? Tell me.
Sir, we have to find that.
PE1 slash A,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes,
therefore
sir.
from Bayes theorem, what can you write? Write the expression from Bayes theorem. Now you will tell me, okay, how to write the expression. PE1 slash A. Now tell me after this equal to what?
Is equal to sir E.
First you write PE1, right?
Yes, sir.
PE1.
P1.
And then into P, and in this what you do, you put E1 in the denominator. And
Yes, sir.
A you put here.
A by E1.
Divided by summation. How many E's here? I run from what? How many E's here?
E. Sir, 8.
8.
6.
6 E's. So I
6
will
E's.
run from 1 to 6, right? I will run from 1 to 6, right?
Yes, sir.
PEI into PA slash EI, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you just expand this. PE1 into
A.
A slash E1 whole divided by PE1 into PA slash E1 plus PE2 PA slash E2
Yes, sir.
plus PE3 PA slash E3 plus PE4 PA slash E4, and finally PE5
Yes.
P A slash E5. A slash E5, right? Isn't it? Now our task is to find
Yes,
out the
sir.
respective probabilities. Now, finding out the respective probabilities will take a lot of time. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll stop here.